Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Donavin in Tennessee on the Stryker 447 hpc2. Donavin, we've got you all lined out here. There were some very odd modifications done. We got all that taken care of for you. We'll start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug. Got you right there at watt and a half all the way down. If you're not going to run any amp, I'd run it wide open. 17 watts. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello audio. Hello audio. So we're sitting about 38, 40 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello. 100 watts on the money. Alright, Donavin, we'll get it out to you, man. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.